Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of 2 Peter, a short but profound book from the New Testament, perfect for those curious about biblical wisdom.
Imagine a letter from a wise mentor, eager to share advice with a community on the brink of confusion. That's what 2 Peter embodies, a guide to safeguarding faith amidst challenges.
Written by the Apostle Peter, this text carries profound insights for early Christians and resonates today. Starting on a high note, 2 Peter kicks off by emphasizing the importance of faith, knowledge, self-control, perseverance, godliness, mutual affection, and love. These qualities are promises of a fruitful Christian life, making us effective and preventing spiritual short-sightedness. In chapter 1, verse 3, Peter assures us that his divine power has given us everything we need for a godly life through our knowledge of him. This assurance sets the tone, stressing the sufficiency of divine provision.
But why write this letter? Peter's swirling thoughts lay bare in chapter 2, where he warns against false teachers who lead believers astray with destructive heresies.
His vivid descriptions compare them to springs without water, highlighting their deceptive barrenness. It's a stern reminder to remain vigilant, grounded in truth, echoing the need for discernment and devotion to the teachings of Jesus. Now, let's pivot to chapter 3 and things get prophetic. Peter talks about the day of the Lord as a future reality, when the current creation will pass away with a bang, transitioning into a world where righteousness prevails. In verse 10, we read, "But the day of the Lord will come like a thief." This jolts us into preparedness, urging us to live holy and godly lives, anticipating a new heaven and earth. So, what's 2 Peter really about? It's about growth, discernment, and hope. Growth in character and faith, discernment against deception, and hope for a new creation. Peter's letter, though compact, is monumental, not just a message for his time, but a timeless charge for us all. Dive deeper, read for yourself, and discover the richness of 2 Peter. It promises to inspire, challenge, and anchor your faith like never before.